Yes, you're welcome to Falco Aquaponics. We are smoking catfish. As you can see, we have not turned it since. So this is the first time. What I'm going to do is that very hot. You will realize that the down one, because it is close to the fire, yeah, it has turned red or it has smoke is faster than the top ones. So we are going to bring the up one down closer to the fire and the top one up. And that's how you'll be rotating it till everything is uniformly smoke. Then after that, you can turn the fish itself. And that's going to take approximately about 3 days because they are bigger enough and they need more heat and fire. So this is going to continue for 3 days. In 3 days time, we should have the fish dried. So watch out how I'm going to do the turning. Just rotating, very heavy and hot. These are eggs. So because they are still wet, when they dry, you can chop it and it's very nice. But as it is dry, you might not like it. So this one was the top S one. Now it will come close to the fire. This one is nice. So I'll bring it nice. Oh, very heavy and hot. Shit. Yes. Keep pushing fire. Oh, this is it. It's supposed to come. See how I'm sweating? Yes. That's the business. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So I'll do the same to this one. So these two, the fish didn't reach all the trays. So these 2 trays were not filled with fish. That's why it's empty. And it has made my work easier. Otherwise, I will have to put this on something before I turn. But because these are empty, I can just push it up like that. See. The fact is that the fastness of the smoking depends on several factors. What I mean is that how fast your smoking is going to done depend on factors like the hotness of the hotness and consistency of the fire, the size of the fish. Because if they are bigger, definitely they will need much time to get the extra sweet. If they are bigger, because they are big, that means that there is a lot of moisture in them. So to get this smoke to dry and all the moisture is gone, it will also take more time compared to if they are smaller. So these two main factors determine how fast your catfish should be smoked. So if you want it to be faster, make sure that you have enough and consistent fire or consistent heat. Depending, you might be using gas or charcoal or wood, or we are using charcoal. When you finish, make sure that the fire is burning. So check out. If it is not burning, then you need to fan it. If you need to add more charcoal, then you add. See that this one is burning higher. The charcoal are lighter than this one. This one it seems to almost dead. So fan it very well. Then it will also light. I can put this one back because it's light on. So this one I need to fan it for a while to make sure that it is well light. When it is well lit, then when you push it in, it will burn. As the moisture is dropping from the fish, it's also putting off the fire. That's why once in a while you have to check it. If it's not burning you, then you fan it. And if it needs more charcoal, you add more charcoal. So when you start this, before you complete in the 3 days time or less, depending on the size and the concept of fire, like I said, you might burn full bag of charcoal. Yes, so it's not easy. It consumes a lot of charcoal. And as it when I need the fire to be low, I'll close these things. If you close them, especially in the night when you go to sleep, when you close them like this, because air is not going through, the hotness of the fire will reduce till it goes off. But once you open and then air continues to enter, then the light will keep burning and the fire is hot. Yes, that is it. Thank you for watching. Like I said, if you are not subscribed, kindly do so. And don't forget to contact us for your fish farming consultation. And if you also want to buy fish, contact us for your fish. Thank you very much.